Transitive verbs make up the majority of Basque verbs. They indicate when an actor does something to another entity, and they always cause a subject shift from the absolutive case to the ergative case. Hi, I'm Shanna, and this is Basque Bazook. Here are 5 important transitive verbs. Number 1, ikusi, to see. Txakurrak haragia ikusten du. Txakurrak haragia ikusten du. The dog sees the meat. Guk etorkizuna ikusiko dugu. Guk etorkizuna ikusiko dugu. We will see the future. Number 2, jan, to eat. Nik arraina jaten dut. Nik arraina jaten dut. I eat fish, or I eat the fish. Guk elkarrekin jango dugu. Guk elkarrekin jango dugu. We will eat together. Number 3, esan, to say. Zuk asko esaten duzu. Zuk asko esaten duzu. You say a lot. Ark ez du ezer esaten. Ark ez du ezer esaten. He does not say anything. Number 4, irakurri, to read. Nire lagunek liburuak irakurtzen dituzte. Nire lagunek liburuak irakurtzen dituzte. My friends read books. Nik karta bihar irakurriko dut. Nik karta bihar irakurriko dut. I will read the letter tomorrow. Number 5, idatzi, to write. Zuek euskaraz idatziko duzue. Zuek euskaraz idatziko duzue. You all will write in Basque. Ark hitz onak idatzi ditu. Ark hitz onak idatzi ditu. He has written good words. Remember, the subject of transitive verbs takes the ergative case with a K, and whatever you see, eat, say, read, or write takes the absolutive case, or the basic form. Please check out my transitive verb practice video for more transitive sentences. Thanks for watching. Agur!